I'm Sam.
Hi, I'm Courtney.
And this is our Tropical Rainforest Biome Project.
And we have special reporters outside on the scene to talk to you about the rainforest and its contents.
Hey Courtney,
Hey, what?
let's go see what they're up to.
Let's
go!
A tropical rainforest is a forest of tall trees in a region of year-round warmth. An average of 50 to 260 inches of rain falls yearly.
Crikey, mate, that's a lot of rain. Many species of the animals can be found in the rainforest. A common animal is the prehensile tail.
Insects also make up the largest single group of animals that live in the tropical rainforest. Examples of this are brightly colored butterflies, mosquitoes, camouflage stick insects, and huge colonies of ants.
The ants go marching 6 by 6, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 6 by 6, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 6 by 6, the little ones hug 6, 6 up 6, and they all go marching down to the ground.
Now that we've shared some interesting facts about the rainforest, it's back to you, Sam and Courtney.
Yeah, that's it.
Thanks for watching!
Peace out.